Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and set up your Wealthfront cash account. So to do this is pretty simple. So go to wealthfront.com/cash and here you can start saving with $1. So from there, you want to make this just for yourself. And here you want to place your name. So place your name and your last name, of course, and your middle name. It depends. So let's continue from there. Let's go with random gmail.com. So here we just place our password, a very random one. So let's just place something really complicated. So there you go. And then you have to confirm you're not a robot. So here, there's already a random Gmail. So let's just place random numbers, 12312. So there you go. So there you go. Now we have here. So here, place a US phone number. And then it's going to confirm it with your phone number, of course. So you just don't place any phone number like me. So here, you'll have to place it right here. So if you're not in the US, you'll not be able to use your Wealthfront. So from there, it's just going to be this, and there you go. So that is how you set up your cash in your Wealthfront cash account. So if this was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.